If your bath is starting to look worn out, you might be wondering whether it's better to refinish it or replace it completely. Refinishing it can seem like the easier option. It promises to make your tub look new again without the cost or effort of a full replacement. But in many cases, replacing your tub is actually the better long-term solution. Hi, I'm David Schmidt, Bath Project Manager at Joyce. Here are 3 important reasons why replacing your tub is often the better option. First, there's often more going on beneath the surface than you can see. When you look at your tub, you're only seeing the outside, but underneath, behind the walls, are pipes, drains, and plumbing components that may be aging right along with your tub. Over time, pipes can rust, drip, or develop leaks. If those leaks go unnoticed, they can cause serious damage to the surrounding structure of your home. When you replace the tub, this gives professionals the opportunity to inspect and update drains, plumbing, and fixtures before they become expensive problems later. The second reason replacement is often the better choice is durability. Many tubs installed in modern homes are built with low-quality material to keep construction costs down. Over time, these tubs become dull, stained, and difficult to clean. Refinishing is essentially applying a new surface coat to the tub. While it may improve the appearance temporarily, that coating can scratch, chip, or wear down over time from normal use, cleaning products, or accidental impacts. A new tub, especially a modern mold acrylic unit, is designed to stay cleaner, maintain its appearance much longer. And finally, replacement simply gives you more options. When you refinish a tub, you're stuck with the exact same size, style, and placement that you already have. But when you replace it, you have the opportunity to rethink the entire space. You could choose a larger tub, a soaking tub, or even reposition it to improve the layout of your bathroom. That flexibility allows you to create a bathroom that's more comfortable and functional for your daily routine. And when the tub is brand new, just like the rest of your fixtures in your bathroom, it creates a more cohesive, updated space. So while refinishing it may seem like a quick fix, replacing your bathroom often provides better results, longer lasting durability, and more possibilities for improving your bathroom. If you're considering a bathtub upgrade and want to explore your options, visit joycefactorydirect.com. Use our bath cost calculator to get a fast, easy estimate and start planning your upgrade today.